Hey everyone, how's it going? Abdulhad Shaqfaz here with you from Autoprime. Hyundai has officially pulled back the curtain on the next generation of its flagship three-row SUV, the 2027 Hyundai Palisade. With official assets just hitting the Hyundai newsroom, we are diving straight into every single detail. The fresh design evolution, major powertrain shifts, updated trim offerings, and the tech upgrades inside. From the ultra-premium Calligraphy trim to the newly revealed Palisade Hybrid and the rugged XRT Pro variants, Hyundai is making a serious statement. Let's break down what's new, what's changed, and whether this upgraded three-row family cruiser deserves a spot in your garage. Up front, the 2027 Palisade leans heavily into a bold, squared-off silhouette that mirrors Hyundai's recent design language, bringing a more boxy, confident stance on the road. You get standard LED pixel-style daytime running lights, a massive front grille integration, and revised lower valances. Across the lineup, Hyundai is diversifying the Palisade's personality. The Calligraphy focuses on luxury with unique satin chrome trim, exclusive multi-spoke alloy wheels, and premium color palettes. The Hybrid Calligraphy pairs high-end comfort with the Hyundai's electrified powertrain efficiency. The XRT Pro, geared towards weekend adventure with a standard all-wheel drive, enhanced ground clearance, darker cladding, and functional roof rails. Under the hood, Hyundai is offering flexibility of choices, crafted to both long distances towing and daily efficiency. The first is the standard powertrain, a 6-cylinder 3.5 refined, direct injection engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission designed for smoother power delivery and dependable highway overtaking. The Palisade Hybrid, integrating electric motor assistance alongside an efficient gasoline engine with 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. It delivers immediate low-end torque while significantly improving city mileage figures. Hyundai's HTRAC all-wheel drive system remains available across trims, featuring dedicated terrain modes for snow, mud, and sand. The suspension setup has also been revised with frequency-sensitive dampers to deliver a quieter cabin and smoother ride compliance over standard road imperfections. Step inside, and the 2027 Palisade feels closer to a luxury flagship than ever before. It has dual curved screen, a seamless glass pane houses both the digital Goji cluster and the main infotainment display running Hyundai's latest high-speed software. The seating options a flexibility of 7 to 8 passengers configuration with available heated and ventilated second-row captain's chairs. It has a floating center console design, creates a massive under-console storage alongside high-wattage wireless charging pads and USB-C ports for all 3 rows. And also it has the full support of over-the-air updates, Hyundai Digital Key 2 Touch, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the safety front, Hyundai's SmartSense suite comes standard with enhanced capabilities. The highway driving assistant, lane change assist, and adaptive cruise control with machine learning distance control. The forward collision avoidance assist covers junction turning, crossing traffic, and direct pedestrian detection, and also the blind spot view monitor and surround view. It has HD camera feeds streamed directly to your driver display when signaling. So the 2027 Hyundai Palisade doubles down on what made it a bestseller: high-end luxury, incredible spatial efficiency, and a robust technology suite, now made even more versatile with dedicated Hybrid and XRT Pro trims. What do you think of the new look and the hybrid offering? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any update. Thanks indeed for watching.